Here is a 27-inch rocket. This is hull number 8. So this is a very early rocket. I think this is the earliest one I've had on the 27 inchers. I might be wrong, but I don't remember a lower number. But anyway, yeah, both wings were broken off. Windshield was missing, steering wheel was missing, etc. It needed paint. I'll put the restoration video online on YouTube like I always do. I replaced the bulbs. Was able to locate an original rocket windshield off another rocket somewhere down the line that was destroyed, I guess. I got it from the guy, which was nice of him. I replaced the bulbs, red and green. They're 3 volt. So nice and bright. And it turns on with a contact right here that you have to solder onto the steering wheel shaft, etc. to get to work. So it's pretty clever. Anyway, I'll turn it on. Oh. She's a screamer, boy. This puppy screams. And I repainted it, pinstriped it. I'm getting better with the pinstriping. Original colors. I did not make it perfect. I left a few little zits in it here and there. The paint's not perfect either. That was a bear painting those stripes on the tail. But I kind of over-restore them when I do it, but I tried not to do it this one. There's the rocket. I redid that. There's the nose cone, the antenna piece. It came out really nice. It's a nice boat. I also made an original stand for it. I stamped a hull number on the front, 08. And there you go. She's a beaut. I really like these boats a lot. I don't have one for myself yet. One of these days I guess I'll get one, or well, I can just make one of my replicas. But there you go. Here's the inside. Horseshoe motor. I redid all the brass on everything, all the contacts, polished everything up. The batteries are sitting there. Sorry, getting over a cough. But there you go. And here's the 08 on the bottom of the fin. She locates there. There you go. She's a beaut. If you have any boats you want restored, send pictures to RBOJCK@gmail.com. I'll get back to you if it's feasible and with a price, and we can go from there. This is going back to the customer today or tomorrow. I really hate to send it back, to tell you the truth. I just soon keep it, but it's not mine, darn it. So anyway, he's got a nice display piece now. There you go. Thanks again for all your kind comments on my boats. Go to YouTube. You see all of my others under RBOJCK Toy Boats or ITO Toy Boats. They're all on YouTube. Lots of videos. Thanks again.